Hello guys. Today in this video, we will see how to send scheduled email in Gmail. So let's get started. I am Jack from Educational Alliance. So come to the computer screen, where we will do step by step to send scheduled email in Gmail. Okay, now we are at our Gmail dashboard. So to send new email, just click a Compose button. As you see, new window has appeared at here. So to send scheduled email, write an email address of someone to whom this new email need to send. Okay, now in below field write the subject of email. Then write the message in body. I am pasting message at here. Now at below you see button of send. So just click on this little arrow. As you see, new dialog box appeared as scheduled send. So just click on it. At here new window pop up for select the schedule of email. As you see, there is some suggested schedules are available. You can select your own by clicking pick date and time. So click on pick date and time. Now calendar will be showing it here like this. You can choose required schedule as per choice. So I am selecting date at here. On right side you see selection of time. I am going to set time as 9 a.m. And click on schedule send. Now this email has set for given schedule and will be automatically sent on that time. For check it, just click at scheduled tab. As you see, your sent email is ready for send on given date and time. You can cancel send before scheduled date and time. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video.